guys! So, our vlog for today is a day in my life sa class ni Sir Petty. So, syempre, bago tayo magpunta dun is mag-aayos muna tayo. So, get ready with me! So, yon, get ready with me. Ang unang step na nilalagay ko is itong shooting gel. Pakimo, Chase. Wala to. After nun is sunscreen. At ang gamit kong sunscreen ay original. So, next step is magkikilay na tayo. So, ngayon, magbibihis na ako and papasok na ako Papasok na? Papasok na kay Sir Petty. Guys, tayo ay papasok na sa class ni Sir Petty. Samahan niyo ako. Pagayak na tayo. Tayo naman ngayon ay pupunta sa kanto para sumakay. Malayo pa kami sa kanto kasi nga, ang lugar namin, pa-Encantadia to guys. Series. So, yun.
Why are you not confident in speaking in English? Because you were not honed, you were not forced, you were not trained, you were not provided with enough opportunity to read. Nor, sadot kayo nga talaga. Diba? Tama. Sadot nga talaga agbasa. Ito yung mga moments na si kami, nung kami, during our time. Ang hirap palang gamitin ito, nakakatanda. We were forced to read. You read comics. You read newspapers. Few of you, or maybe none of you, are reading newspapers.
Sir, sila lang yung napunta
Ay!
si ate.
Tak, 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 tak! Anong ginawa mo? Literal. Literal. Sabi mo bata,